Hello everyone, welcome to CS Lectalks. In this video, I'm going to explain pointer arithmetic and especially subtraction of pointer variables. Let's see how we can write a program. Here you can see I'm writing a program. The program is has include. Let's change the color of this. Okay, has include stdio.h. Has include stands for preprocessor directive and stdio.h stands for standard input output header file. This header file contains printf and scanf functions. We are exclusively using printf and scanf functions in our program. Next, void main. I'm defining the main function. Inside the main function, I am declaring two variables. One is int a is equal to 20. I am assigning 20 to the variable a, and I am declaring another variable int asterisk ptr. So this is the variable where we have stored the value of a. This is pointer variable. Okay. So inside the memory, a will store 20 and it will reserve 4 bytes. So why 4 bytes? Because integer reserves 4 bytes and sometimes it reserves 2 bytes also. In my system, it will show 4 bytes. Okay. So next, ptr is the pointer variable. We know pointer variable stores the address of another variable. So the address of a, suppose the address of a is 1001. Suppose we are considering its address as 1001, the address may be different. So this address will be stored inside the ptr variable. Okay. So when I will declare ptr is equal to address of a semicolon, then the address of a will be assigned to ptr. So the address of a will be assigned to ptr. Okay. Now I would like to see the address of ptr variable or address of a. So I want to print using the printf function. Printf, I can write address of a is equal to %d double quotation end comma ptr. Okay, the address of a will be ptr. That means it will show 1001. Next, I am doing a subtraction operation upon this ptr variable. So I'm writing ptr is equal to ptr minus 2 semicolon. ptr minus 2 semicolon. That means this is a subtraction operation. So here you can see what value will be stored in ptr. For example, here 1001 is stored. 1001 is the address of ptr. When I will subtract minus 2. So minus 2 means here, minus 2 means 2 into the size of the variable. The size of the variable means size of a. So here size of a is 4. That means I can write 1001 minus 2 into 2 asterisk 4. 1001 minus 8. So what will be the value of 1001 minus 8? 993. Perhaps it will be the value of value after subtraction. But this value may not be same Because the system will provide us the address of PTR. When we will store in the memory, the system will provide us the address. We do not know what that address will be. So I have taken 1001 as the address of A. Okay, so now we will print the address of A after subtraction. So printf within double quotation after subtraction, comma, the address of A is equal to %d double quotation end comma PTR bracket and semicolon, main function closed. Okay, so this is the program for pointer subtraction. So now I would like to display the actual value or the actual address of that variable A, what my system is displaying. So let's write a program and see how the system displays the output. Here I opened my dev C++ editor. So has include stdio.h void main opening curly bracket closing curly bracket, inside that int a equal to 20 semicolon int asterisk PTR semicolon PTR is equal to address of A semicolon. Now I want to print the address of A. So, address of A is equal to %d double quotation end comma PTR semicolon. Okay. So let's execute and see what is the address of PTR. After that, we will make the subtraction operation. When I will compile it, it will ask me to save the program. So I am saving the name of subtract, and save as type will be C source files with a .c extension. When I will save it, now you can see the compilation result has come, errors and warnings are 0. It means my program is correct. And let's run and see the output. Here you can see the output address of A is 6487572. 6487572. It means if I subtract 2 from it, it will subtract 6487572 minus 2 asterisk 4, because 4 is the size of integer here. Okay, so let's make the subtraction expression. So PTR is equal to PTR minus 2 semicolon. Now printf statement, Control C, I'm copying it, and I'm just changing it /n after subtraction. Address of A equal to PTR. Let's compile and run the program, and you can see the output. Here you can see the output. Address of A is 6487572, and after subtraction, the address of A has become 6487574. 72 minus 8, that will give you 64. So our calculation was perfect. Now if you change the value of 20 to 30 or 50, whatever the value may be, but each time the address of PTR will be same. So let's change the value of 20 to suppose 40 or 400. Here you can see the address is same, and after subtraction, the address is also 6487564. Okay. Okay. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.